Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe, like and turn on notification. Don't forget to follow our social media to share your inspiration with us. Inside the box are light strings, accessory bag and foam board. Have a spare lampshade. Inside the bag are instructions, stickers, handkerchief and stick. Use the stick to pop out the hose. Foam board has the base and the side. Expanded foam board. Pop out all the hose. Glue the skirt lines with stickers. 2 PC steady, 1 PC unsteady, 1 skirt lines needs 2 or 3 stickers. Make sure to tape all the skirt lines front and back. Use the stick to pop out the hose. Bend all the side walls following the skirt lines. Fold the side and put them into the inner hole. Lift the base and insert. Foam boards are installed according to the marked numbers. First, match numbers. Second, insert. Attach them one by one. Close the gaps between side walls. Remember to tape all the gaps. The side with the numbers is the back. The lampshade should be attached to the side without numbers. Install the light string in order. All done. Put in the batteries and see how it looks.